to the Teen Talk Show with Dr. Seena Devar, founder ACE Academy. We are very happy today to have with us a young charming guy from Kerala. His name is Siddhant. Siddhant Singh, welcome to the show.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure.
Yes. Siddhant, would you like to introduce yourself to the viewers, please?
Of course, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Siddhant. I am 16 years old. I study in Chinmay International Residential School. It's the favorite place I want to be. I have a very loving family and a lot of friends. My parents take care of me very well. I think I've had the opportunity of having such great parents and I'm able to come up so well in life. I'm good at sketching. I'm very interested in sports, particularly squash, swimming, and football. Anytime, anywhere, I can just go for them. I
Okay.
I look forward to eating food. I mean, I'm a foodie.
Yeah,
And
Chinmaya, where in Chinmaya, which place? Which
ma'am,
town?
Coimbatore.
Okay, fine. Good.
And I love having fun with my friends. It's the favorite thing I would love to do all the time.
Okay.
And my teachers have taught me a lot of lessons in life. My school teachers, very important ones. I would recommend to anybody. So it has helped me get to where I am right now.
Yeah, beautiful. So your life, your journey has been very beautiful because of your supportive parents, teachers, and schools.
All my
Like,
elders, ma'am.
yeah,
Yes, my
all your
elders.
elders. So Siddhant, I should say that you are a blessed child, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. When you say foodie, what is the food you like? What you love to eat?
Ma'am, someday, some type. I would not
Okay.
have the same food every day, but I love to try different types of foods. I love to, appreciate the different cultures, and I like to see different types of food, the different things that are there.
Different
So,
cuisines.
yes,
Okay.
definitely. I like
Okay.
Indian, Chinese, and stuff. It's
Okay, so you are an
great.
all-rounder also. You are interested in sports even. So when you say sports, how much time do you put into practice?
Ma'am, if there's a competition coming up, or normal sports days in my hostel, we play in the morning,
Yeah.
jogging time, and in the
Okay.
evening from 5 to 6:30. But when competitions are coming, I'm ready to give
So
any
which
amount of
competitions
time.
have you gone, Siddhant? Which
Ma'am,
competitions have you?
football inter schools and
Okay.
athletic inter schools.
Okay.
Yes, that's about it. A lot of inter schools.
Lot of inter-school come. Very good. So Siddhant is like, flourishing, I should say, right? Into a great sportsman. Yeah, and what about academics? Which is your favorite subject? What do you
Ma'am,
like?
science is my favorite subject. I'm in 11th. I'm a science student by
Okay.
choice,
Okay.
and I would like to take up defense technologies and engineering.
Oh, that sounds
So,
really interesting.
so my favorite subject is science, and I like all the concepts of science. It's something like if I'm not able to understand, it irritates me, and
Okay.
I would like to put in that effort so I can clear my concepts.
Okay.
And
So,
yeah, English is definitely everybody's favorite subject,
yes,
and
true.
mathematics. That mathematics I like because the feeling of solving a sum is just
Okay, that's lovely. So you had
great.
best of teachers and best of schools too. What is the values that your school has imbibed in you?
Values, the most important value that I have learned is to prioritize. That word is really important.
Hmm.
To prioritize means that your day is set. Once
Absolutely.
your day is set, you don't have to worry about anything. And once
Yes.
you finish everything that you have planned to do, you're going on the right path. So you have to set a long-term goal. That is very important. But all those long-term goals are achieved by taking those short steps,
Yes,
right?
very true.
So
Very true.
if I want to become like a scientist, I have to slowly work. I
Yes.
have to take up science. I have to show that
It's a
motivation
continuous
that I
effort.
have.
It's a continuous effort that you have to put in.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Absolutely.
consistency is the key to success, we
Yes.
say. So
Then
that has to
one
be
more
there.
thing that they have taught me is to just hang in there, even if the times get tough. So the tough get going. You have to
Yes.
hang in there, and you have to do your best. Eventually, everything will work out. That's the most important thing to remember. This
Absolutely.
issue that people have that right now, nothing lasts. There's always a bright side.
Yes. And when you say family, what is that values your family has put into you and which you
My
wish to share it with others around?
Yes, my family. The most important person is my father. He keeps pushing me forward and forward. I it took me a while to realize that. I never used to get angry at my father, but it used to irritate me. And then later on, I realized that I was so blessed to have such an amazing father. My father keeps pushing me to do better. He keeps he keeps giving me things to do, different things to try, and I keep learning different things. In the long run, learning something is really great. So
Yes,
if you
very
know
true.
how to do something, then you have
Yeah, good.
you have it in with you. It's a
Yeah.
really great lesson for life.
Siddhant, you use the word that he pushes me into doing things. Can you just, this isn't my question for the day, but still I want to ask you, as a teenager, what's your view on this? To what extent parents can push their children, and where should they stop it? What's the margin line where it shouldn't be too much, it shouldn't exceed too much, neither it should be very less? Where exactly we should stop as parents?
Ma'am, I think that a parent should first realize what the child wants to do. It is not very difficult to realize that. Sometimes it might be difficult, but there are some signs. Like, suppose someone is really good in football, you have to take him and you have to start pushing him for doing
Yeah.
foot. Like, you have to push him in that area. Studies, he has to push because in today's world, getting into a good college is top priority, and academics is really important. So there you have to push. And the thing is, initially everyone might feel little uncomfortable, but after whatever has to be achieved is achieved, then you see that all that has been done right now is all for a cause. It is something bigger than yourself, and that you are a part of it now. It is really great feeling.
Yes, absolutely.
So the limit that a parent can push is not to push so much,
Yes.
but it has to definitely harden the child
Yeah. No,
so he can
that's
face
that's what
any
we need a definition.
situation.
That's what we need, to want. It's just a thin line between too much and not too much. It's just a thin line. Where should parents stop? That is what I was asking you for, and you have
Ma'am,
answered it well, though.
when someone starts overreacting or he is not understanding properly, then definitely there is a need to explain.
Absolutely, absolutely. That means something is going wrong. There's no proper kind of it's not channelized properly. Very good, Siddhant. Well said. So nice to see a young boy with so much of clarity. Very good, Siddhant. Keep it up. I'm sure your parents are very proud of you too. And Siddhant, here we come around with the critical round, critical questions. So just relax and you take time to answer.
Yeah.
So just now you see everywhere, the 21st century, it's too much of technology. Okay, and everyone with his cell phone, online teaching, we are depending, I think so, in a day, how many hours are we dependent on online, on technology, if you can say?
Ma'am, today in this
Yeah,
situation, we
yeah.
have online classes, coaching
uh,
classes, and
mm.
your casual cell phone time, gaming
Cell
time,
phone
and stuff.
time, Facebook,
It
WhatsApp, Twitter,
it has
so many things,
yeah
right?
definitely increased exponentially. So
Yes, yes. Siddhant, just imagine this wasn't there at all. No technology. If you have to say from tomorrow, all of a sudden technology disappears. Okay, there's no laptop, no Wi-Fi, no nothing, network, no phones, no cell phones, absolutely nothing. So how will Siddhant adapt to that situation?
ma'am, in today's world, we see that evolution we have reached the age of technology.
Yes,
So everything and each and everything we do is related to technology in some way or the other. Now we are
Abs-
feeling hot, we turn on the fan. So
yeah,
that
yes,
is engineering. That is totally
yeah,
everything. That is this thing. And we have the TV to see how people are doing outside. That's technology. If we want to see how our friends are doing, that's technology. But um, for those who are really care about others and who want to stay in touch with people all the time, and those who are really want to learn more, the best way to do it is through the advancements made in technology. There are so many. We have so much equipment that we can use. The people
Siddhant,
that are
my question was, in case tomorrow there's nothing, how will
yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Siddhant adapt to it?
yeah. So if there was nothing,
Mhm.
then it definitely would be really difficult. But bottom line, we have to adjust. It's not like there's absolutely nothing to do. There's so much to do outside, but technology has its own area. So we have online classes, so that is off, and chatting with friends, that is off, and games, that is off. But if you look outside, there is so much more that can be done. Everyone has to adjust.
Yes.
Spending time with parents is really important, and once technology is gone, everyone looks to each other. That is
Absolutely, absolutely.
a really great thing that I seen when the like current goes off and Wi-Fi is off. Everyone looks at each other, starts playing games. It's
Yes,
really fun,
yes.
and
Yeah,
starts spending a lot of quality time with each other. That
yeah.
is really crucial.
Yes,
So
yes. Yeah,
yes,
and even you see, like, most of the time now, earlier days when there was no technology, no cell phones, nothing, we used to travel. When we were traveling, like, even as passengers, we used to talk to each other, we used to share food, and we used to have a lot of fun chatting and all those things. But now, after technology, the personal connect is lost. Yes. And even if I'm sure young guys like you, even if there's no technology, you'll adapt very soon, even to that situation. Isn't it, Siddhant? Yeah.
yes, I'm sure we will soon.
Will it, I think so. We are human beings are made like that. Or we are tuned into adaptations. Okay. So I'm sure
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
adapt to that situation also, and we'll start connecting more, and letters will start coming in. We'll start writing letters to each other. Maybe
Yeah.
tell it
In
will be
school we
more.
write letters, ma'am. In
You
hostel
write,
we write a lot of
okay,
letters to our
okay,
family.
okay. Because now we are not writing, isn't it? So writing letters, cards, maybe that will come into vogue again. It will be something different. Okay, Siddhant, well answered here. And Siddhant, there are many boys, those who come to your school, like from different backgrounds. Okay, and so Siddhant, at this age, do you get attracted to materialistic things? Like if other boys have the best of watch, or they have the best bikes, or they come in the best of cars, does this really attract you, or does it give you a low self esteem, or do you compare yourself with all this thing that I don't have it and my friends have it? Does it make a difference, Siddhant?
Ma'am, totally not. Totally not.
Really?
You have
I
to
want
the
genuine
main
answer,
thing.
Siddhant. I want really genuine answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Obviously, when we are small, we want things. We want better things.
Yeah.
But the main thing is to turn jealousy into admiration. That is the most important thing. If you do not
Beautiful.
have, you have to work with what you have.
Yes.
Now, someone has a better watch than you have. The difference is more steel and more precious metals. The time is absolutely same. It's
Yes.
absolutely same. There is no difference. So, I think if you want something that someone else has, um, you should not be jealous of that person. Everyone is in a position in life for a particular reason.
Yes.
Some people are well to do, some people are not, but the amount of work that you put in is really important. So I don't think that I was ever really jealous of somebody that they did not have this, have that. I had my own things,
No, do
and
you
I
demand,
think I was.
after seeing a particular materialistic thing, do you demand it from your parents that you want so and so thing, even though your parents can't afford to give you that? Have you
No,
demanded?
ma'am. I have been taught that I need not ask for things that when I was small, I used to ask toys from my parents, but as I realized pretty soon that I'm not going to use these my whole life. There are more important things than material things. There is family, and there are friends, and the
Yeah.
trust of both is more important than anything in the world.
Beautifully well said, Siddhant. Because I've seen many teenagers, especially not only boys, even girls, those are for so much for materialistic things, and they keep demanding and they keep troubling their parents. Better bike,
The
he has
only
this
problem
bike.
of having attachment to material things is once you realize that someone has something better than you, you forget what you have, which is really not a great
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
Once you forget what you have, you realize that you forget your position. You
Yes.
don't realize how lucky you are to have things that other people
Yes.
don't have. Behind you, there is someone else wanting things that you have.
Yes.
So
And
it is endless.
yes, and Siddhant, I think so. We can also help out teenagers by they should look at people. We are always looking at people who are above us. We should also look at children and people, those who are below us, those who do not even have the basic amenities of life. Maybe that will help us, and we'll feel how blessed we are, isn't it, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely. Now, do they take up all these kinds of sessions in your school?
Yes,
Like,
ma'am. We
yes?
have absolutely. We have different people that come to our school. In fact, we have our own spiritual guides. A lot of them
Yeah. Okay.
who teach
Yes,
us very
yes,
very important things.
yes, absolutely. Yeah. I think so. There's a lot of spiritual guidance also, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now, Siddhant, everyone speaks about this generation gap. We always keep talking about generation gap between parents and the student and the child, teenager. So, what do you think is this generation gap? Why is this gap between the parent and the child? And how can we bridge this gap between the parents and the teenagers?
Ma'am, it's change. Change will always happen.
Yes.
And there was something that was there in my parents' time, which is
Yeah.
not there now. It's a classic. We have all those old musical instruments and stuff, no, that my
Yeah.
parents used to listen to. Everyone's parents used to listen to. But now we have wireless earphones, and it's really big. It's technology. It's a change.
No, I'm
And
talking about the gap between you and parents and
yes, ma'am.
teenagers. That gap.
Yeah. So the gap is that right now we are more parents are more like they like to give a personal touch to everything. If I have to meet somebody, I would call him, my friends would call him. My parents have to meet somebody, they would go there or they would write a letter to him. That sounds like the meeting means something.
Yeah.
So there is always that emphasis and that importance that my parents give. So that is the gap. And it is not because we don't care. It is technology. Things are more accessible now, definitely. But the amount of importance you give to relationships is really important. And that has kind of gone off somewhere now. It is very easy to see, but not easy to change. That's the
Absolutely.
gap.
Yeah. What's the role of the teenager in covering up the gap, in bridging the gap?
Ma'am, we need to look up to what used to be done, and we need to realize how efficient it was and how good it was. Things are better now, but they are just simpler. It does not mean that, uh, things are like, obviously, they're much better now, but our parents also, they had a much better time.
Yes.
My mom always tells me that we had much more time, we had much more fun
Yeah.
when in our time
Absolutely.
and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay. But as a teenager, our role is to try, see, that is a standard. That is a
Absolutely.
standard, and we have to live up to that standard. If things keep changing right now, then no one will ever see each other ever again. There is no importance to any relationship. Everything will become just business. So it is very important to keep the importance of relationships intact.
Absolutely.
As a
Very well.
as a teenager, that is our role.
Good. Yes. And you should keep up to that, Siddhant. Are you the only son? Only
Yes, ma'am.
child? Okay. Fine. Fine. Do you think it? Are you okay with just being a single child, or you
Yeah,
feel you're okay with it, or you think that you should have a sibling?
ma'am. Company is preferred anywhere, but
Okay.
I think I'm good.
You're good. Okay, fine. Yeah, you have done well with your critical thinking round, and here is your fast forward round, Siddhant. In future, what, like suppose within few, maybe 10, 15 years down the lane, you'll be married and you'll have your own family. What kind of a father would you like to be?
Ma'am, I believe that if I can be 50% of what my father is, I'm going to be successful.
Wow,
So
good. This answer truly deserves a clap, and the credit goes to your father, I feel.
yes, ma'am. So I want to, I would like to make my child, or like the way my father is making to me, ready for any situation in life. If you know how to tackle any situation in life, then you are ready. You are not going to face such huge bumps, which,
Yes.
you have to learn to see the bigger picture. Suppose now there is some issue that you're facing. Others who might not have experience will see it as a very big problem. But if you know how to tackle, if you are hardened, and if you have the experience, then your problem will be solved in a very short amount of time. From now till 20 years of old, the most important thing is guidance, and there is no one better than parents and teachers.
Yes.
So,
So you'll be
if
the best guide to your children.
yes, ma'am,
Support your
absolutely.
father. Yeah. What has been the role of your mother in your life?
Ma'am, my mother has played a very equal role in my life compared to my father. She is the one who has given me everything I wanted. She is the one who, she supports me a lot. The emotional support that is crucial for any person, she is the
Yes.
one who has given me that. So
Yes. Yes.
sometimes when I realize that, I have not performed as well as I can, she shows me the bigger picture. She sees it is not the end of the world. There is much more bigger, much more better things in life that you can do. There are bigger ways and you can perform. So don't focus on how things have gone wrong. Focus on how things have, what you could have done to make them better, and just get to work immediately.
Great,
So
great, Siddhant. Lovely parents you've got, very supportive. And Siddhant, which is your favorite song that you keep humming always? Any
no,
song that you keep humming?
I no, not in particular. I would. I'm interested in listening to songs, but
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
not.
What kind of songs do you listen to?
I'm English songs.
Okay.
Anything, absolutely
Any
anything.
okay. So anything you keep humming all the time?
No,
Any
I
one
don't.
of your favorite?
No, I don't usually hum. It's not my thing. I don't sing
Okay.
also.
Okay.
Um, I love listening to songs. It helps me sleep. It helps me relax a lot.
Okay.
So anytime I hear a song that I don't have, I definitely keep it with myself. I download it and keep it with myself.
Yes. And what is the deep passion in you that makes you happy? See, their hobbies are different, interest is different, and there's something called as passion. Maybe it is not a part of a profession, but there's a deep down in our hearts, everyone has a passion for something. So, what is that passion that really makes you happy?
Ma'am, the defense forces,
Oh,
and one more important thing is competition. I take competition very seriously.
oh,
So in
that's
case
nice.
someone challenges me, it I take it to my heart.
Oh,
So I
okay.
would like to put in all my effort. If someone says they can beat me, I want to prove them wrong instantly. I want to
Oh,
do everything I can. So that's how to have competition means you are willing to do the things at any point of time. You need to
okay.
have some amount of you need to realize the reality of competition. Everyone is not no, everyone is not sleeping, they're also working same as
Yes.
you. So you have to always realize that there is definitely an extra effort required. There are we learned in school, it's a really special concept. It's that the world creates talent always better than others. There is
Right.
more talent when a person is born. There is
Yes.
some talent in him that is better than the person who was really great. They're footballers,
Mm.
and at his time, at person's time, he was great. And there
Yes.
are people who are born who are much better. There are
Better.
painters who are born who are
Absolutely.
much better. There is talent.
Yeah.
Need not be jealous. You need to appreciate, but you need to realize that they are not born with the fame. They worked for the fame.
Right. Well said,
So
Siddhant. Well said. Awesome. Really,
yeah,
it's thought
that is.
provoking. All your the points that you are sharing is really thought provoking. It really makes us think about it. Very beautiful. And how do you accept defeat, Siddhant?
Ma'am, I sometimes my weakness is I don't,
Oh,
and I don't accept. I usually see what has gone wrong and whose fault it is, which is one of my weaknesses. When we put in the effort and we don't make it, or as a team we don't make it, there is obviously somewhere someone has not performed as they should, and every team is as strong as its weakest link. If you don't have, your whole team is not strong, then you're not going to make it anywhere. As in during practice, everyone needs to realize that this is the team. It's not a couple of people, it's bigger than all of them. It's a concentrated effort.
absolutely.
That's
Yes,
called a
all
team.
together. Yeah, teamwork.
That's a team.
Yes. Yeah.
So I think that working together as team is really important, but you have to realize that people around you are putting effort, and you have to start giving that amount of interest too,
Yes.
equally if not more than others.
Great, great, Siddhant. So, in any time you have come across defeat and you have not accepted it wholeheartedly, still is there
um,
something like we look? I like you must have come across certain defeat. Is something pinching you yet? Any one of the defeat is pinching you yet?
no ma'am, I have learned that if you keep holding on to the defeat that you had earlier, you're not going to move forward. Never.
Lovely,
People can
lovely.
say that I remember I had lost, I'm feeling bad, but I'll cope up, I'll catch up. It doesn't happen. It is the reality.
You just learn a lesson from that particular
Yes, ma'am.
experience.
You have to take out the lesson from there,
Yes.
put it in what you're doing right now, and
Yeah.
start doing it immediately. That is how learning works. Suppose I've failed an exam, and you keep thinking about that, my person is going to go low now. You are not going to do well in the next exam also, unless you take out the lesson from there, put
Mm.
it in what you're going to do for the next exam, and you can start working immediately for that one too. So that is where you need to be consistent. You cannot have, breaks in between and this and that and stuff. That is a distraction. That is clearly distraction.
Yeah, great, Siddhant. Siddhant, now a crucial question. You don't have to mention names and all those things. Just in the in the air, So, do you feel attracted to the opposite side, to the girls at this age? Teenage attraction
Ma'am,
has
not
happened?
really, not really, not much.
Okay,
In our school we have a lot of importance to things like Raksha Bandhan, which still goes on in our school. It's
okay,
really important to have good friends in life, and not to ruin relationships.
okay,
You must keep this, like I said earlier, this importance. It should not mean that you are in a relationship just to, just for namesake.
okay,
It means something, and you have to hold up that value.
okay.
Everything has a value. So friends, the thing is, it's all built on trust, and relationship on love and trust
Till
and this
today,
and
you
that.
never got a liking towards someone?
Of course I
Not
had mom,
only,
but
not only to in school, outside, anywhere.
no, not as such.
Nothing. Okay, great. Fine. That's fantastic. Okay. What brings a smile onto your face, Siddhant?
Ma'am, most of the time, seeing others happy is, and the fruit of my achievement, the two things that make me happy anytime. If I can, things like happiness is really special, and if you can make that, then you are definitely, you have something really big inside of you. So happiness and the winning a competition, winning something is,
Good.
I think.
So, how do you make others happy? Like past 24 hours, if I ask you, how have you made others happy?
Two things: encouragement and people don't accept it, but fun is a secret ingredient.
Hmm.
If you must have fun with your friends. That is, it is needed anywhere. Any childhood is based on fun and love of parents and elders. So if you have fun, then you realize that there are things you can do with your friends, a lot of things, places you can go with your friends, and if you have the trust for a long time, you make lifelong friends.
That's
A
great.
lot of people realize that late. So
Hmm.
not late as in not really late, when they're in college. That is why college friends are the lifelong friends. If you realize that early, you have a lot of lifelong trustworthy friends. People are willing to work for
So
you and you put
when
in
others
effort for you.
smile, automatically you get a smile on your face.
Yes,
By
ma'am.
making others happy, you are happy.
Yeah.
Great. You were talking about food. One food. Just tell me name any food that you can eat continuously for a day.
um
Like you are never tired. You'll never say no to it.
that's difficult. um I think non-vegetarian food,
Okay.
certain specifics, not all non-vegetarian
Anything
food.
specific in non-vegetarian?
Ma'am, of course, there's chicken and fish and stuff.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in the school I studied vegetarian,
Okay.
so
Okay.
it's not
Yes.
like I
Yeah.
can, I can go, I can't live without eating it. I can
Ah.
definitely adjust. There is
Okay.
things to appreciate
Hmm.
wherever you go, whatever you eat. So I think I have a great like, I'm really fond of non-vegetarian food.
Yeah. What's the
So
dish
yeah.
that you truly miss when mom that cooks well? So what is the dish that you miss?
Mom makes amazing snacks. She makes
Okay.
amazing snacks. I
Ah.
think she makes stuff right now also. She's made stuff
Uh-huh.
for the past 2 days, and I would I would have it at any time. It's mom's
Oh.
food. It's something
Okay.
I really miss when I go to school, and
Yeah.
um, my dad and me also, we sometimes try experimental cooking. My mom works in school, so she's not free all the time. So me and my dad take it up, and we check something on YouTube and try making it. It usually
Oh.
works out
Okay.
pretty
Okay.
well.
Good. Good. Supporting your mom, right? In case Siddhant, you were made the sports minister of India. You are the
Yeah,
sports minister of India. What reforms would you like to bring in India
ma'am.
with regard to sports?
I would like to bring the importance of physical fitness,
Okay.
like in our school. That is really crucial, I think. Physical fitness is something that if you don't have later, it is
Hmm.
going to trouble you.
Yes, okay,
It will
physical
definitely
fitness.
we see
And like
people.
if India has to represent, many players from India, if they have to go for Olympics and all those things, how will you support and what will you do to see that we flourish in this field?
Yeah, ma'am. We have to see that there is not only there is, sports is also a big field of achievement. There
Yes,
is
yes, yes,
Olympics. It's created for a reason. It's because
yes,
not everyone is born with, they're not good at everything. Certain people who are excellent at sports,
yes,
excellent, that quality and that character, that amount of talent that they have, that needs to be bring out. That we need to bring that out of them, and
yes,
that has to be shown. Of course, it is not the way it is. It needs to be improved.
yeah,
So the facilities need to be improved, and there should definitely be, sports needs to be importance of sports and physical education. It needs to be in every institution.
yes.
That is
And because
really important.
in many villages and all, you will see huge talents, especially in the field of sports, but they are
Yeah.
not able to reach up to the national level itself.
Yes.
So how
So
will you
one
identify
way
these
of
people?
going through is, people need to see your talent.
Yeah,
Higher amount, like the reality is, other people need to see your talent. They can appreciate it. You can get encouraged, or else they can appreciate and they can take you somewhere. You get a chance to represent somewhere else.
yeah,
Yeah. So in the schools, I think I need to emphasize that inter schools,
yes,
though may be really nervous, like people may be really nervous, and the competition may be really intense, but it is one way to realize the competition, so you can start working really hard.
yes,
Once you realize the competition, and once you realize that you can perform much better, and that you have not done as your best, then nothing can stop you. Once you do, and definitely there is always someone who appreciates, and most of the time no one discourages talent. No one
okay.
discourages talent is really special, and
Now,
even if
as
people
a
do.
minister, can you bring reforms in the sense start many sports club activities
Yeah, of course.
all
Yes,
over
ma'am.
India and encourage the new talents coming up,
Yes, ma'am.
so you can.
Definitely.
So that's what I was asking. Like you can have more events, and especially from villages, you can select people those
We
who are
have a
talented,
lot of events. Like
give
in
them
my school, we
exposure.
participate in a lot of inter schools. Swimming, we have in the year at least 3-4 inter schools. We have athletics, sahodaya, and clusters.
Okay.
Football also lots, and then there's cricket, and yeah, ma'am. There's badminton, of course.
Okay.
So
Great, great, Siddhant.
there is enough emphasis in our school. Sports is given a lot of importance.
No, I'm talking about national level. You're talking about
Yes,
school. I'm
yes.
saying national level.
Yeah,
Ah,
national level, of course, only the best go.
yeah,
So everyone starts out somewhere, and everyone starts out like around in school. Almost everyone. So school is the place where you take that out. You
absolutely.
show.
It begins from school. You see,
Yes.
you are
So if the
insisting,
base, if the
you're
school,
emphasizing the importance of
yeah,
physical education and competition, sport-related competition first in schools. Once it
initially,
starts in
yeah,
initially in
that
school,
initial
yeah,
encouragement is
and
required.
initial
Once you have
encouragement
initial
should start at
encouragement,
school. Yeah, I
then
got it. I got it.
the amount of people going outside India for international competitions are going to increase like
Yes,
exponentially.
yes,
There are going
great,
to be a
great.
lot of students participating.
Yeah, good, Siddhant. Good thoughts. Siddhant, what's your message to the teenagers today? What message you'd like to give your friends?
Um, Ma'am, yeah, my father always used to say, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war.
Wow.
So he said that the more effort you put when you have the time, the better more efficiently, and the amount of performance you can give is going to be really great when the time comes.
Yes, right.
So you need to realize when you have the time and when you don't. You cannot
Yes,
work after an exam. You
true.
have to learn after an exam, or if
Yes,
you have performed really well, you have to take that encouragement. So I think that the message I would like to give is, we need to realize, we need to focus on the things we have and not the things that we do not have.
yes,
Everyone has certain things and does not have certain things, and there are things that we can do and we cannot change. So if you constantly think about the things you cannot have, you're clearly wasting your time.
yes,
The thing you need to do is work to get them, or use those things to go higher in life. So suppose for example, in school you are not you have great interest in certain sport, but you can't participate because your physical fitness is not up to the mark. So you need to focus on the part that my school has great sports facility, and like I have great sports coaches, and you have to start working immediately, but only if you show that interest. If you do it for namesake and
Yeah,
only
you'll
in
end
the
up
name of,
nowhere.
you're
Yes,
going to end up just wasting your time.
wasting. That's true.
Down the line you yourself will realize that I have not given enough importance to this. If you do not show interest, then your mind is going to go here and there. You need to have full concentration. And I think that having full concentration is really crucial. Having concentration means you are living in the present. There are a lot of people who keep thinking about the future, what's going to happen in the future, and those who ponder about the things that happened in the past. The key is to stay exactly where you are and live in the present.
Beautiful.
Living in the present means all the things that you have right now, your mind, your body is totally focused on one task.
It's
And even
100%. It's your
yes,
100% effort for the
yes,
moment.
and if you don't concentrate, you are going to improve month by month. If you put your full concentration, you are improving every single second. Every single second, you are improving the talents you have, and you will see that, and that is definitely pure encouragement.
Great, great, Siddhant. And for what's your message for the for parents? Not your
Um,
parents alone, for parents all over.
um, yeah, ma'am, just one second. Just one
Yeah, yeah.
second. I'll just turn off this light.
Yes.
Ma'am, am I visible now? Much
Yes,
better?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so my message for parents would be that I think um, you need to see. I have had the great opportunity of having really amazing parents, but that is only because my parents saw what I wanted to do very early. Seeing what you want to do is where it all starts.
Okay.
Noticing the signs, and seeing that your child is great in something, and taking that and pushing it forward, even though there might be hard times.
Yes.
uh, Maturity helps you realize instantly that
Yeah.
this was all for something much bigger than what I am. And
Yes.
where I am today is because of my elders, the experience that they've given me, and what they have taught me from their mistakes. You cannot always learn from your mistakes. That is really less. You're going to make a few mistakes, maybe big ones, but that is less. Learning from others' mistakes and putting them, imbibing them, the lesson, taking the lessons from them and imbibing them is something going to help you move front tenfold.
Yes.
You're going to be moving front really fast. You're going to be learning really fast,
Fast, yeah.
performing much better. So I think for parents, seeing what your child wants to do, his interests, his capabilities, he might be interested, but
Interested,
sometimes
but the capability is
it is
missing.
just
Yeah.
not possible
Yes.
to realize reality. That is the third thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is pretty much it.
Yes.
And a parent must obviously like that I will do when I grow up. My parents are doing right now is give the best.
Yes.
When
And
I
you
grow up,
also
I
need
will
to
give my best.
Yeah. When you grow up, you need to give your best
Yeah,
to
you
your
need to
parents.
realize that when you were a child, your parents gave their best, and it will be unfair on your part to not give your best, to focus on the things that you have right now, and use them for yourself, despite the fact that you have a child, is somewhat betrayal. You
Yes.
have to give your best. When you were small, you were given your best. Where you are today is because your parents had given their best, which is exactly what you need to do when you grow up.
Yeah.
That is
Beautiful,
really, really
Siddhant.
important.
Yeah, your thoughts were so beautiful and you expressed it so well, Siddhant. Hats off to your maturity at this
Thank you.
age. And I think so the credit goes to your mom, dad, your school, and all the elders surrounding you. So
Thank you.
when we say a personality, when we you say it's influenced with various factors. So the factors that influence a personality is the family, it's the genes, it's the neighborhood, it's like school, it's teachers, it's friends, and that speaks about so much about you, Siddhant, that you were surrounded with the best of people, like
Yes, ma'am.
who gave you the best of things. God bless you. You are a blessed child. Your parents also are blessed to have a great son like you. So
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you very much, Siddhant, for being on our show. I hope you enjoyed the talk with us.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, ma'am. It was amazing. It was really good.
Yes.
My mother, I mean, initially when she gave me the opportunity, she had told me about this show, and I was obviously a little nervous. I had never spoken so publicly before. I'm not uncomfortable to speak publicly. It is sharing my ideas is any day a great opportunity to show what you mean is definitely something big. It is not just about saying what you mean.
Yes, Siddhant.
I have learned from this
Okay.
opportunity. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah.
And
Thank you
I would
so
like
much,
to thank
Siddhant.
ACE Academy and
Yes.
you, ma'am, for
Yeah.
this
Thank you so
great
much,
time.
Siddhant. Yeah. And thank you, viewers, for being with us. And stay happy, stay positive, and take care of yourself until tomorrow. See you tomorrow again, same time. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much, ma'am.
Siddhant. Thank you, dear. God bless you.
See you, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.